Understanding the essentials. Kayak Repair Kits. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic for all kayaking enthusiasts, the Kayak Repair Kit. Whether you're a seasoned kayaker or just starting, understanding what a kayak repair kit is and how to use it can save your day on the water. So, let's get started and explore everything about kayak repair kits. A kayak repair kit is a collection of tools and materials designed to fix common problems that can occur with kayaks. Think of it as a first aid kit for your kayak. It's compact, easy to carry, and can handle emergencies like punctures, leaks, or broken parts. Having a repair kit on board ensures you can address minor issues quickly and safely, without letting them ruin your adventure. Every kayak repair kit may vary slightly, but there are some key components that you should always expect to find. 1. Patch material, for sealing holes or tears in the kayak's surface. 2. Adhesive or glue, to secure the patch material to the kayak. 3. Epoxy putty, a moldable substance that hardens to fill gaps or attach broken pieces. 4. Screwdriver and screws, for tightening or replacing fittings that may come loose. 5. Knife or scissors, to cut patch materials to size or trim any excess material. It's also a good idea to tailor your repair kit to your specific kayak type and the waters you'll be navigating. Knowing when and how to use your kayak repair kit is crucial. Here are some tips. 1. Regular inspection. Before and after each trip, inspect your kayak for any damage. Early detection can prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. 2. Read the instructions. Each repair kit comes with specific instructions. Make sure to read and understand these before you find yourself in a situation where you need to use them. 3. Practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with the tools and materials in a controlled environment. Practice repairs at home so you're ready when the need arises. Safety is paramount. Here are some safety tips to keep in mind. 1. Assess the situation. If your kayak is damaged while you're in the water, assess the situation calmly. If the damage is significant, it might be safer to head back than to attempt a repair on the water. 2. Wear gloves. Some materials in the repair kit, like adhesives and epoxy, can be harsh on the skin. Wear gloves to protect yourself. 3. Ventilation. If you're using any chemical-based products, ensure you're in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. We hope this guide helps you understand the importance and usage of a kayak repair kit. Remember, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring your kayaking trips are both enjoyable and safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content like this. Happy kayaking, and see you in the next video.